Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's explore the term hobby. It's not just a pastime. There's more to this word. Let's dive into the world of personal passions and enjoyable pursuits. Meaning. So, a hobby is an activity or interest pursued for pleasure and relaxation, rather than as a profession. It's something individuals engage in during their leisure time, bringing joy and fulfillment. Usage. Imagine dedicating time to a hobby like painting, gardening, or playing a musical instrument as a way to unwind and express creativity. Examples. Think of people sharing their hobby collections, whether it's stamps, coins, or vintage cars, reflecting their unique interests. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhʒbi, ʻhʒbi, a term that encapsulates the joy and personal fulfillment found in leisure activities, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hobbyist communities? They bring together individuals with shared hobbies, fostering collaboration and the exchange of ideas. Conclusion. If the idea of hobby resonates with your leisure pursuits, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more enjoyable word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.